Hello, Super Scholars. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I hope you got lots of rest and that you're ready to start this week off great and that we're going to have a wonderful week. Today is Monday, August 31st. To start off our reading lesson, we're going to practice the sounds with the letters M, S, and L. Can you make the sound that the letter M has? The letter M sounds like like monkey or money. What about the letter S? What sound does the letter S make? Great job! The letter S makes the sound S, like socks or snake. Now, can you make the sound that the letter L makes? You've got it. The letter L sounds like L, like the word lamp or lips. Good job, you all, practicing those sounds. Now we're going to move on to our learning target and success criteria. Your learning target tells you what you are going to be learning today. The learning target is I am learning how answering questions can help me understand a text. Remember, questions are things that you ask to help you understand or learn new things. Success criteria is how you know you've got that learning target. Success criteria is like a goal. Your success criteria is I know I've got it when I can answer all 5W questions about a text. The 5W questions are who, what, when, where, and why. You will watch the 5W's vocabulary to learn a little bit more about these question words. After you have watched the vocabulary, you may move on to vocabulary for the week. Our vocabulary are the 5W questions. The first one is who. Who means the characters or the people in the story. The next 5W question is where. The where tells us the place the story happens. When is the time or date an event occurred. So when did the story take place? Why is the reason. Why did those things happen? And last is what. What is the event that is occurring? Or what happened? You can use these 5W questions anytime you are reading a text. Today, you are going to listen to the Three Little Super Pigs. Now remember, while you are listening, you're trying to figure out how answering questions can help me understand a text. In order to get that learning target, you should be able to answer the 5W questions. Who are the characters in the story? Can you tell me who the characters in the Three Little Super Pigs are? What happens in the story? When you finish listening, can you tell me what happens? Where does the story take place? Look at the pictures. Where is the story happening? When does the story take place? Do you see any pictures that help you tell when the story takes place? And why do the events in the story happen? So you told me what happens, but can you tell me why those things happened? You can watch this story as many times as you need to, or go back and re listen to help you answer these questions. Your independent work time is going to be listening to this story and answering the 5W questions for the story. Now, when you're answering these, you need to be writing them down on a piece of paper. While you're writing, remember these things. All sentences should start with a capital letter and end with punctuation. You should always write complete sentences. Don't stop in the middle. And your words should look neat and be a finger space apart. These are all things that great writers do, and I know you all are great writers. When you are answering the questions, if you have some trouble, here are some helpful hints. Who? You could start your sentence by saying the characters in this story are. When answering the question when, you could start your sentence by saying the story takes place during. Where, you can also start this one saying the story takes place and then tell me where the story takes place. What? Just tell me what happened in the story. And why? Why did those things happen? That is your reading lesson for today. Make sure to complete your independent work and submit it in the correct day on Google Classroom.